How to connect HubSpot to Facebook ads. So first, go to your homepage here. Now just choose on the settings here, the gear icon at the top. Now just scroll down and look for marketing, this one. Then just click on ads. Okay, now click on connect account. Now, of course, since we want to connect Facebook ads, just click on Facebook here. Then just sign into your Facebook ads, or if you don't have an ad account, create one here. So let's click on sign in. Now what you're going to do is just log into your Facebook. After that, you just need to follow the instructions here for the sync leads and the ad pixels, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.